right, boys and girls, today we're going to do pencil, crayon, and marker. So we're going to write our spelling words first with our pencil, and then you can go back and write them with a crayon and with a marker. So our first word is must. Must. Our next word is next. The next word is glad. G-O-A-D. Next one is left. O-F-T. Left. The next one is plan. P-O-A-N. Next word, flip. F-O-I-P. The next word is clap. K-O-A-P. Clap. We have three more. Hint. H-I-N-T. Hint. Plum. P-O-M. Plum. And our last word is flat. F-O-A-T.
You okay?
Now I want you to get a crayon, and you're going to write your words with a crayon and then with a marker. So when you're all finished, it should look like this. So when you're all finished, put it in the box and start on our Alexia. Good job, boys and girls.